How to add and customize caption or subtitles on Clipchamp. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Start by opening up your Clipchamp, and here you will see a page like this. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now let's go ahead and add a media. Once you add your media, just drag and drop to your bottom. Here you will see Captions option on your right hand side. Click onto it, then click on Turn on Auto Captions. Now select the language that you would like the caption to get recognized on, or you can just click onto the option that says Turn on Auto Captions. Now give it some time and it will say that they have matched your media. Once you do so, you will see all the captions on the video on your right hand side. In case you would like to customize it, select the portion of the caption from your right hand side, and you can either customize it or change the font of that text. Just like so, this is how you can do it. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. We will catch you up in our next upload.